Introduction, Understanding Mental Wellness. And hey everyone, I'm Shah, and today I want to share something deeply personal with you. 5 years ago, I found myself sitting in my car, hands trembling on the steering wheel, experiencing what I later learned was a severe panic attack. That moment changed my life forever, and today I'm here to talk about the journey that followed. In our fast-paced world, where we're constantly bombarded with notifications, deadlines, and social pressures, mental wellness has become more crucial than ever. Did you know that according to recent studies, nearly 1 in 3 young adults experiences some form of anxiety or depression? These numbers aren't just statistics. They represent real people, real struggles, and real stories. That day in my car was my wake-up call. I had been pushing myself too hard, trying to maintain this perfect image on social media while struggling internally. The pressure of running my medical practice, maintaining relationships, and keeping up with societal expectations had become overwhelming. It took that moment of complete vulnerability to realize I needed help. After reaching out to a therapist, I discovered that what I was experiencing was weakness. It was a sign that something needed to change. This experience didn't just help me heal, it inspired me to become a mental health advocate, sharing what I've learned to help others on their journey to wellness. Understanding mental wellness. Let's break down what mental wellness really means. It's not just the absence of mental illness. It's about feeling balanced, resilient, and capable of handling life's challenges. Think of it like maintaining a car. Just as you would wait for your engine to break down before getting an oil change, you shouldn't wait for a crisis to care for your mental health. Your mind and body are interconnected in fascinating ways. When we're stressed, our bodies respond physically: muscle tension, headaches, digestive issues. Conversely, when we take care of our physical health through exercise and proper nutrition, our mental health often improves too. Modern-day challenges. Let's talk about social media. While it connects us in unprecedented ways, it's also become a double-edged sword. Constant comparison, the highlight reels of others' lives, the pressure to always be on. It's exhausting. I've seen countless patients whose anxiety spiraled from excessive social media use. Workplace burnout is another modern epidemic. The lines between work and personal life have become increasingly blurred, especially with remote work. Add to that the paradox of feeling isolated despite being more digitally connected than ever, and we have a perfect storm affecting our mental well-being. Tools for self-discovery. One of the most powerful tools I've discovered is mindfulness. It's not about emptying your mind or achieving some state of perfect zen. It's about being present in the moment, observing your thoughts without judgment. Let me share some practical exercises that have helped both me and my community. Start with this simple self-reflection practice. Each evening, ask yourself 3 questions. What challenged me today? What brought me joy? What did I learn about myself? Journaling has been another game changer. I keep a notebook by my bed and spend just 5 minutes each morning writing whatever comes to mind. It's amazing how much clarity this simple practice can bring. Daily practices. Let me show you a simple meditation technique I use daily. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and focus on your breath for just 2 minutes. That's all it takes to start. Your morning routine sets the tone for the entire day. Mine includes 10 minutes of meditation, a short journal entry, and a walk around my neighborhood before checking any devices. Speaking of devices, implementing regular digital detox periods has been crucial for my mental clarity. Building a support system seeking professional help isn't a sign of weakness, it's a sign of wisdom. Think of a therapist as a personal trainer for your mind. Finding the right mental health professional might take time, and that's okay. It's like dating. Not every match will be perfect, and that's normal. Creating connections, building meaningful relationships is crucial for mental wellness. This means cultivating friendships that go beyond surface-level interactions. Support groups, whether in person or online, can provide a sense of community and understanding that's incredibly healing. Your family can play a vital role in your mental wellness journey. But remember that sometimes we need to educate them about mental health too. It's okay to set boundaries and communicate your needs clearly. Conclusion. Remember, the journey to mental wellness isn't a straight line. It's more like a winding path with ups and downs, and that's perfectly normal. The tools and insights we've discussed today. from mindfulness practices to seeking professional help, are all steps you can take toward better mental health. Call to action: if you're struggling right now, please know that you're not alone. I've included links to mental health resources in the description below, including crisis hotlines and online therapy options. Our wellness community by subscribing to this channel and sharing your experiences in the comments. Take that first step today, whether it's downloading a meditation app, scheduling a therapy session, or simply sharing this video with someone who might need it. Remember, your mental health journey matters, and it starts with one small step forward.